At BabyD Agency, we understand the paramount importance of providing wholesome and nutritious meals to the precious little ones under our care. Meal preparation is a critical aspect of ensuring the health, growth, and development of babies, and we take pride in creating a culinary experience that aligns with the highest standards of nutrition and taste. Our approach to meal preparation: number 1, nutrient-rich ingredients. We prioritize using fresh, organic, and locally sourced ingredients to maximize the nutritional value of each meal. A diverse range of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins are incorporated to promote a balanced and well-rounded diet. Number 2, age-appropriate portions. Our dedicated team of nutrition experts tailors meal plans to suit the specific developmental needs of each child. Portion sizes are carefully calculated to ensure that babies receive the right amount of calories and nutrients for their age and stage of growth. Number 3, variety and exploration. We believe in introducing a wide variety of flavors and textures to encourage healthy eating habits from an early age. Our menu rotates to expose children to a diverse palate, fostering a love for different foods. At BabyD Agency, meal preparation is not just a task, it's a heartfelt commitment to the well-being of the little ones who bring joy to our lives. Together, we're creating a foundation for a future filled with health, happiness, and endless possibilities. For more information, please visit www.babyddagency.com or contact us 1516-787-1390. Thanks for watching.